If you want to learn how to trade in the financial markets, one thing I can definitely tell you that there's too much information out there, and trading costs a lot of money to learn. You know, if you're gonna learn trading, it normally costs minimum 2,000 to 100,000, depending on where you're getting the information. Now, if you want value for money and the right information that I actually came across just over a year ago, I can honestly tell you that we have the biggest community of traders all over the world that are learning exactly how to trade with the cost of a coffee a day. Now we have over 100 videos on demand, whether you're a completely brand new beginner or an intermediate or an advanced trader. We actually give you all the meat and potato minus the junk, as well as 1,000 hours a month of live sessions from professional traders who've been doing this for many years. Not only that, but I'm actually going to give you my system that has allowed over 1,000 plus people in my team learn how to trade a lot quicker. What took me many years to learn, I'm going to allow you to learn a lot quicker.
Are you ready?